So this one right here smells so good. I think I'm gonna go with this one here, covered in roses. And then let me see what else. So these are 75% off. Okay, that's what I'm talking about, baby. A sale, honey.
Oh, you need to take your fingers and run them all through my strings. Strum it out, strum it out, strum it out. You can play in the key of love.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Miss J and welcome to my channel. So today I am unboxing. I have a pocketbook boxing and I have some Bath and Body Works items that I received. So we're gonna get into this video. If you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, share this video. So let's get into this video. Okay, so I went to Bath and Body Works. They had a super sale and I wanted to try these items. So I'm gonna show you guys what I received in this Bath and Body Works. Okay, I love me some smell good, so I'm gonna let you guys know what I received from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so I picked up some Cover in Roses, and I was told this smells really good. Oh yes, it smells really good. So this is Covered in Roses. It's really light. It's like a light smell. I love light fragrances, so this is really great. This was $18.95, but of course they also have like a sale up in there. They have sales all the time. They had like a big like rack of items, and I think it was like 100% off, 50% off, or something like that. But the items inside of that bucket, I really didn't care for them. So this is one of the body mist sprays. This is one of the fragrance mists that I picked up. It smells really good. So if you go to Bath and Body, you may want to try this out. Covered in Roses. Okay. I also picked up the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. This is also Covered in Roses, and I believe this was also $18.95. Really, really, really nice. And it's really more, it's like a whipped butter. Look at that. It's really creamy and it smells really, really good. It smells so amazing. Oh my God. I think the body cream is much better. The body cream smells so amazing. OMG. So yeah, this is a hydration. It has shea butter. So this is a 24-hour moisturizer. It has shea butter also. It's rich and it's a luxurious for instant moisturizer. And I feel it in my hands. Oh my God. Smell really, really amazing. It has vitamin E, it has aloe, it has shea butter and butter. This is amazing. So again, this is Covered in Roses. I will have the link in my description. I also got some more little goodies that I picked up that I never tried. So let me go with the first one. Bath and Body Works sell perfume, so I wanted to try their perfume. This is Viva Vanilla. So let me open this. I didn't even open it, guys. Give me one moment. Let me just crack this open. So if you're a girl that loves like warm vanilla scents, this might be for you. This is my first time trying it out. Oh my God, this smells really, really good. It's light and it has like a touch of vanilla. It's not strong, but it smells really, really good. Nice and sexy, honey. So again, this is Viva Vanilla, their perfume sprays. So this was $14.95. This here, I will be getting some more. I did pick up a couple of them. Let me get the other one. This one is Midnight Addiction. And I already tried this one because it said Midnight Edition, okay, if that makes sense. So I picked up two Midnight Editions. The girl in the store was telling me that this one is like a bestseller. So Midnight, baby, if you try this Midnight Edition, honey, your mate, spouse, partner will be addicted to you more. Okay, so go ahead and grab this one, Midnight Edition. They was in line when they made this perfume. Okay, so these were $14.95. Oh my God, it smells amazing. So you guys need to go out and try their perfumes. I was surprised they had perfumes up in the store. I'm like, what? Let me try some perfumes out. But baby, the price ain't bad. $15 for this little tube. Yeah, it's a little tube, but the scents last. Because I put this on last night, baby. I'm going to keep that a secret, okay? But you're going to love it. I also picked up some little sanitizers. Faith loved these. She liked to take these to school. But this one is frosted coconut. She loved taking these little things to school, so I just picked her up one. It smells really good. It smells like coconut. And then I picked up Bath and Body Works is really surprising me with a lot of things. Like, this is a vanilla lip balm I got. I never tried it, but I wanted to just add that into my little bag. I believe this was like $8.95 for this one. They told me this was good in the store as well, so I will be trying that. And then I picked up some Daily Essentials lip oil. They said their lip oils were good. Usually when I go in the store, I usually just get like their body washes and stuff like that. But I was like, let me expand my horizon and try some things I never tried. So the lip oils, I heard they were really good. This lip oil was $12.95. And then I got another one. This is Scarlet Bloom. It's more like a pinkish color. And this one was more like, well, this is Dusty Rose. See, it's like a Dusty Rose color. And this was Scarlet Bloom. So let me try Scarlet Bloom for the first time. I put a little bit. Wow, look at that. It changed my lip color. It's very pretty though. It's like a pinkish. And I feel the oil in my lips too, so cute. Okay, and then I also picked up Toasted Cherry Donut. I think this is what is this one I got? This one was $9.95. So this is a lip oil also. So this one is Toasted Cherry Donut. Let me see if it smells like donuts. I don't really smell. Okay, but they told me that they lip stuff. Okay, let me find out if they getting perfumes and lip oils. They gonna be getting makeup soon. Y'all watch. Okay, so that was it for my little haul for Bath and Body. If you like these items, I will have them in the link just in case you want to get yours too, honey. But they are having a super sale, so go over there and check it out. Okay, so I also received a handbag, and I'm going to show you guys my handbag. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so I received a package from Unahub, and this is what I received. Now, Unahub is a luxury clothing. They sell clothing, they sell shoes, sneakers, watches, handbags, all the personal items you would need in that store, honey. It's an online store, so you're gonna like some things they got up in there, okay? So let me show you the bag that I received. This is what the package look like, honey. Okay, really, really, really cute, pretty. So let me open it up so you guys can see my handbag that I received. I love this box. It's really, really cute. Okay, so first when you open up the box, it comes with a dust bag. This is going to protect your bag at all costs. Keep your bag super, super clean, okay? This is my receipt because, you know, it's official in there. Okay, so I got this Gucci bamboo bag, and I just thought it was just honey. Look how cute it is. It's a mini Gucci bamboo bag. I love the bamboo handle. Look how cute. Look how cute that is, y'all. So, and look at the little buckle there. Look at the bamboo buckle. Isn't that too darn cute? Okay, so, and look how, wait a minute. Look how you open it, honey. I'm gonna open it up really slowly. So this is locked, and then I'm gonna open up my Gucci, my handbag. I'm gonna open up my handbag like that. Guess I do it like that, okay. Okay, so this is the inside of the bag. And it looks like it has a lot of room in the compartments, guys. So this is a strap here. So, okay, so this is the first strap. So let me just open the first strap. Okay, so this is the first strap. So if you want to rock it with the brown strap, you can adjust it. You can make it smaller if you want. Okay, so this is the next strap, which I really like, the green with the red honey. Okay, so this is the other strap you can attach the bag with. Okay, so this is the green strap. You can attach it to get that better look if you like. And then this is the skinny brown strap if you don't want too much color. You know, if you're just a neutral girl and you just want to rock it like that, you can. If you're that girl that likes to wear color, honey, and brighten up the day like me, then you would probably want to go with this one with the red and green. All right, so we showed you the buckles. I showed you the belts. Let's get into the inside. So in the inside, it has this little purse here. You can put your little change up in there. It has, I love the leather suede inside, nice and soft. Look how cute, and it's roomy, honey. So let me show you guys how it's gonna look on me. Okay, y'all know I got a model list. So let me show you guys. If you wanna rock it just by the handle, honey, you can rock it just like when I handle little purse and go about your day, period. But I also added on the round strap. So if you're that kind of girl that wants to wear it like a strap, so be it. And look at it. Look how cute. And make it longer. Look how you can make it longer, or you can make it shorter, which I like. Okay, so I'm going to give the purse a 10. I love the color. I love the style. I love the straps. I love that it's versatile. I love that it comes with green and red strap. I love the brown. It's cute. It's mini. It has a lot of space in it. It's stylish. It's versatile. You could wear it with casual look. You could wear it with a dressy look. It's just all of the above. You guys are all getting 20% off. Use my code right here, Jamora20, and get yours today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Peace and blessings.